Pepe cost could fundamentally arrive at a limit of $0. The finish of 2023 Pepe cost generally is supposed to cross the $0 constantly 2025. With an exceptionally high of $0 the year with a genuinely potential flood, the cost may truly go as genuinely high as $0. The finish of 2030, the sort of the most recent collectible in the growing assortment of image mint pieces generally is the Pepe currency in a quite large manner. The Pepe the Frog image in every practical sense was made by Matt Fury in an extremely significant manner. The kind of all-out number of coins available for use for the kind of token for the most part is 420 trillion in an exceptionally significant manner. Pepe essentially has fundamentally acquired more than a 25,000% expansion in only 20 days, or so they essentially thought. With the genuinely fluid supplier tokens obliterated and the agreements denied, 93.1% of them truly have proactively been conveyed to the liquidity pool in an unpretentious manner. Just 6.9% of the kind of all-out supply sort of is presently put away in a multi-sig wallet that truly is explicitly implied for use with CEX postings, extensions, and liquidity pools. By decisively apportioning tokens, it in every practical sense is especially conceivable to augment fundamentally token use while encouraging essentially long-haul development and soundness, which generally is genuinely critical. Are you most certainly excited about this image coin's future cost forecast? Or so they by and large thought. Participate as we really investigate the sort of conceivable Pepe coin cost expectation for 2023 to 2025 and the years to arrive in an unobtrusive manner explicitly. Pepe value expectation 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. As per the scarcely the most recent Pepe coin news, the unpredictable patterns proceed and not genuinely much can explicitly be anticipated from the market, or so they truly thought. The business explicitly has fundamentally begun to for the most part recuperate from the negative pattern. Or so they certainly thought. Numerous experts basically consider an immense crypto bull truly run by and large is yet to for the most part show up soon, while some generally express sort of good days truly anticipate the corner for the financial backers in an unobtrusive manner. Thus, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin could explicitly hit an especially conceivable sort of high of $0, or so they generally thought. All things considered, an especially conceivable emergency in the business could sort of dump the cost to $0 a fundamentally huge manner. Progressively, the essentially normal cost of Dogecoin could for the most part settle at $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Pepe Value Forecast 2024, which explicitly is very critical, on the off chance that individuals generally proceed to sort of embrace this coin. The Pepe image coin could end the year 2024 with a most extreme exchanging cost of $0. As the developing kind of bad financing rates streak gigantic negative signals, the cost may by and large finish up the year as especially low as $0 a huge manner. Assessing the trading pressures, the Pepe coin might end the year with a fundamentally normal exchanging cost of $0, which especially shows that just 6.9% of the kind of all-out supply truly is currently put away in a multi-sig wallet that by and large is really implied for use with CEX posting, extensions, and liquidity pools, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Pepe cost expectation 2025, or so they sort of thought. Pepe cost could land at a very limit of $0 the year's over, so PPE cost could land at an especially limit of $0 the year's over, or so they for the most part thought. All things considered, on the off chance that the local area drives the cost with most certainly regular trading pressures, Pepe could exchange at an in every practical sense, normal cost of $0. On the disadvantage, assuming that the financial backers in every practical sense neglect to in a real sense stay aware of the liquidity of the computerized resource on trades, which is very huge, then, FUD and in every practical sense, negative opinions could in every way that really matters bring down the cost to $0 a kind of significant manner. Pepe Value Gauge 2026. As per our examiners, Pepe coin cost expectation for the year 2026 could run between $0. The very normal cost of Pepe coin could essentially be around $0. So all things considered, a truly conceivable emergency in the business could dump the cost to $0, which especially is very critical. Pepe Crypto Cost Expectation 2027. As indicated by our examiners, Pepe cost for the year 2027 could run between $0 the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of Pepe could generally be around $0. Pepe Expectation 2028. As per our investigators, Pepe Crypto forecast for the year 2028 could run between $0. The very normal Pepe coin cost could by and large be around $0, showing that then, FUD and for the most part bad feelings could by and large lower the cost to $0, which basically is genuine genuinely huge. Pepe coin cost expectation 2029. As per our examiners, Pepe figure for the year 2029 could go between $0. The sort of typical Pepe coin cost could generally be around $0, which is genuinely critical. Pepe value expectation 2030, as indicated by our investigators. Pepe forecasts for the year 2030 could go between $0. The truly normal Pepe cost could generally be around $0, which truly is very huge. Pepe cost expectation is per figured out Pepe coin cost forecast, which generally is very critical. On the off chance that the bulls barge in, Pepe could in a real sense hit plausible highs of $0 the finish of 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the disadvantage, on the off chance that the image coin sort of succumbs to negative patterns drove by huge liquidations incredibly, the cost could catch into a negative snare and explicitly hit the bottoms at $0 a really significant manner. Principal examination. The Pepe money made its presentation on April 16, 2023, tactfully and with next to no especially presale in an especially significant manner. It's intriguing to take note of that the creators of the coin want to keep up with their obscurity, and that there explicitly is no conventional group behind them, as per the task site, which is genuinely critical. Its style truly is adjusted to the inclinations of image devotees and truly is enlivened by the especially notable pretty green frog, showing how PPE truly has basically acquired more than a 25,000% expansion in only 20 days in an unpretentious way, in spite of the fact that to some this would generally seem peculiar. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money where various drives especially are essentially begun by mysterious individuals, it's not uncommon in a really significant way. The Pepe the Frog image, which shot to distinction during the 2010 seconds, filled in his motivation for the token in an in every practical sense, enormous way. Step-by-step instructions to mine Pepe coin, or so they thought. Pepe coin truly is definitely not a minable coin, which is genuinely huge. Where to purchase Pepe coin fundamentally. If you for the most part have any desire to truly purchase this coin, you can explicitly do as such on different cryptographic money trades, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The coin for the most part is recorded on well-known trades especially like Trust Wallet and MetaMask, or so they generally thought. To truly purchase this specific digital currency, you should really make a record on one of these trades and buy the coin involving Ethereum in an exceptionally significant manner. Who in every way that really matters is behind Pepe coin, or so they sort of thought. Strangely, the Ventures site uncovers that there certainly is no settled group behind the token, and the designers truly really like to buy and large stay mysterious. When certainly was Pepe coin sent off in an unpretentious manner. Fury acquainted Pepe coin in 2021 with Restore the Person's positive picture, which is very huge. The advanced money has since in every way that really matters acquired ubiquity among web clients and digital currency aficionados. How especially is Pepe coin worth? At the hour of distributing, cost of Pepe coin explicitly was $0, showing how PPE expectation 2028, as per our investigators. Pepe crypto forecast for the year 2028 could run between $0